Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Chrysler Touring Mobility Van. This is a rear entry with a brand new conversion. Very easy to operate the conversion. I can operate with just 2 fingers here. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling, so it's a real good design. It's got a handle on either side. It's spring assisted, so you can see I can take it to the ground using 1 finger. Very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. 34-inch wide ramp. It does taper down to 32 inches here at the base. It's wider than the side entries. That's a good thing about these. 56 inches of headroom coming in, 58 inches of headroom inside the van. You can see it has 8 tie-down points, so you can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher in here. I like these Pacificas. They're deeper than the Caravans and the Siennas. So if you're ever going to hold 2 chairs, or if you want to do maybe a gurney kit, this would be a good van for that. Between the seats, there's 21 inches of room. You know, if the chair won't go all the way up in between it, they can kind of put their legs between it, or bottom slightly behind it. We can put more narrow seats in here. We can put seats that flip up on their side. Let us know what you need. You know, not all vans and not all people are created equal in size. So, you know, different sizes require some modifications, and we can do those. Dash looks great. Steering wheel controls, backup camera, dual climate control. Real nice center console in here. You can see it's all leather. The stitching is, you know, they put a lot of work into these. Rear air controls. And we do give a free set of Q straints away with each van. And when it's all ready to go, come over here. Look at that, 1 finger. Put it all back up. It's also got the electric doors here you can operate. And let's say you're going to use this van for a taxi. You don't want to use the electric doors. You can also control the doors here. Or you can push the off button and they become manual doors, so you can just slide them open and shut like that, so you don't put wear on them and don't have to wait on them. So it's got the option there. These leather seats, excellent condition on the interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Got the VIN number right there. We always show you the VIN number, so you know that we're buying the van. You're buying the van we have in our possession. Lots of people out there doing some pretty shady things. So power seat works. It's got the also has the remote start on it, which is nice. Even if you have a garage, or even if it's summertime, it's still nice to have that remote start. So hit the button twice there. I have a remote start on my personal vehicle, and I love it. All right, and when we get in the vehicle, we have to turn it on. All the check engine lights work, the dummy lights, and no ABS, no check engine, no airbag lights. You can see the current miles, 32,198. Got the backup camera like I mentioned. It's got heated steering wheel, heated seats. I love it, so warm. So let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any water damage like a flood or anything like that. We inspect these very thorough. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I do not want anything that's been in a bad accident. I do not want anything that's been underwater. I don't want anything, you know, with a lot of issues. I want to put good quality vehicles on the road. And you'll also notice our competition. They rarely, if ever, show the undercarriage of the vehicle. The reason is they buy a lot of these from New York, Chicago. I can buy these cheaper up there because they're all rusted out. People don't want them. So be aware. You know, if you're going to get out and spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 on a vehicle, tell them to get off their behinds. Tell them to get out there and make a video like this. And people get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's a 2019. They assume because it's got low miles, or they assume because the salesman was nice to them that the vehicle runs and drives good. The vehicle's not all rusted out. Don't be one of those people getting burned on the internet. Do not assume things. It's also got the lane departure warning, little triangle there. Real nice safety feature to have. We've tested all the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heat, air, cruise control, every button we've pushed on this van. We did not assume these things work. We tested them. I employ 4 mechanics. So let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear them run. Listen to the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know you don't have to assume. You know this van runs and drives good, and if you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, You know it runs and drives excellent. Give it a little more gas. I get about 70 miles an hour. Got up to 70. The steering wheel is nice and straight. It's aligned properly. That's exactly what we want. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. You know, not all dealers are created equal. When you buy from an individual, you have no idea what their reputation is and how honest of a person they are or aren't. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Last time I looked on Google, we had 4.8 out of 5 stars on our reviews. We have over 600 transactions on eBay. All of them are positive. That's over 600 people said we treated them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So my point is we have a great reputation with our videos. We try to be very transparent about how we do business. And speaking of transparency, a lot of these dealers have a nice price online, and they have a $500, $1,000, $1,200 in document fees and tag fees, and all these fees are trying to charge you on the back end. And my question to you is, someone's going to hide money from you? What else are they hiding from you? They're not telling you about an accident. They're not telling you about some mechanical repairs. It's just a shady way to do business, and I don't do business like that. So I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So that's exactly what we want. So this is not a brand new van, but it's very nice, been very well taken care of, and I think it'll make a wonderful van for whether it be your business or for your personal use. This should make a great van for years to come, as long as it's taken care of. And also, when you call the competition, you're probably going to talk to a used car salesperson. You know, they're not going to be working there probably in a couple months. They're out chasing that commission check. They'll bounce around from dealer to dealer. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't care if you really get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. Well, I'm the owner, and I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. You know, I care if you get a good deal. I care if you get the truth. I want your repeat business, and I want to treat you honest. I want to treat you fair. So on the rest of this interior here, I did notice a little bit of scuff on that. There's like something scuffed that leather seat over there. I mean, you can't really see it. If I didn't tell you, you probably wouldn't know. But again, I want you to know we're making these videos to show you everything I know about the van. And I did remember, I forgot we had one little scrape on the back of the van here. Like a real little, you know, where's my finger? There's my finger. About 2 inches. You probably wouldn't notice it again if I didn't tell you, but that's the only blemishes I can really find on this thing. And remember, it's not a brand new van, but it's a very nice van. And you can see our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you want to talk to a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone or email, so let us know. We can try and get you financed. And if you ever do want to come in, please make an appointment. I know your time is valuable. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call anytime. And as always, thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call me today.